Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. A Gantt chart is a very useful tool for project management, helping you track tasks, start dates and progress in a clear visual way. So first, let's start with the data table. As you can see, I have already prepared a sample table here. It contains the task names, their start dates, and in duration in days. This is the information we use to build our Gantt chart. You can prepare a similar table for your project. Now, to begin creating the Gantt chart, select the start date and duration columns along with the task names. Next, go to the Insert tab, then choose the bar chart option. You will see three types of bar charts available here: clustered bar, stacked bar, 100% stacked bar. For creating a Gantt chart, we need to use the stacked bar option. So let's click on that and you will see a basic stacked bar chart appear on the sheet. Now let's add a title to the chart to make it clear. Go to the Layout tab, click on Chart Title and choose Above Chart from the chart title option. Then type in a suitable name, for example project Gantt chart or work plan to build a house. So I'm going to type the work plan to build a house here. This makes the chart more presentable and easy to understand. Next, notice that the tasks are listed in reverse order on the vertical axis. To fix this, right-click on the y-axis, choose Format Axis in the below, and then tick the option for category in reverse order from the axis options. You can see now I'm clicking the reverse option and press OK close. Then you will see the tasks are now in order. Now let's clean up the chart. Right now we see two bars for each tag. The blue bar represents the start date and the orange bar is the tag. Since we only need the duration, we'll remove the blue part. Right click on the blue bars, choose Format Data Series and set the field to No Fill. This leaves only the orange bars visible, which form the Gantt chart. Next, we will adjust the date axis to match our project timelines. From you can see that their maximum is row 2. So first I need to change the dates to numbers. So I copied the start date of the first task, which is 1st June, and the start date of final task, which is 13th July, into two separate cells. Then I'm going to convert these dates from the normal date format into Excel's numeric serial numbers. So now we can see the first task dates becomes 45078 and the last task date becomes 45120. Before entering the maximum bound, we need to account for the final task duration. The last task takes 2 days, so I added 2 to 45120, giving 45122, and use this as the maximum below. So I'm going to put this as the maximum for 5122, selecting the fixed option. Then now select the horizontal for axis, open the Format Axis options. You can now see this box, and in the minimum bound box I already entered 45078 and the maximum bound box I entered 45122. Finally set the measure unit to 7, so the existing increments are displayed in weekly steps. This makes the project timeline easier to read, showing all tasks from start to finish clearly along the chart. Finally, let's make the chart look neat and clear. I adjusted the size of the chart to fit all tasks properly and make the timeline easier to read. Then I added data labels to the duration bar so we can see exactly how many days each task takes. With these tweaks, the chart is complete and ready for review. Let's quickly review what we did. First, we prepared the data table with task names, start dates and durations. Then we inserted a stacked bar chart, added a chart title, reversed the task orders, and removed the unnecessary parts by selecting the blue start start date bars and setting them to no field, so only the text duration bars remained. We also converted the start and end dates into numbers and put the exist options along with the measure unit to clearly display the project timeline. Finally, we adjusted the chart size and added data levels to make it easy to read and follow. That's it. You now know how to create a simple Gantt chart in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.